Welcome! In front of me I have Honor Band 9 and I'm gonna show you how to turn off this device. To turn off this smart band we need to first wake up the screen on it. So tap on the screen to wake it up. Then swipe left on the home screen to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu, find the settings icon, and once you find the settings icon, tap on it. In settings, scroll down and find the option called the system. Once you find the system, tap on it, and here we have the power off option. Tap on it, then tap on the big shutdown button and wait a second or two, and the smart band will turn off. And that's how you turn off this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.